Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we explore cinematic color transitions using color lookup. Open your image and study how colors shift from dark areas to light areas. Smooth transitions are essential for cinematic grading. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that gently influence gradients instead of applying harsh color changes. Choose one that creates soft tonal flow and lower the opacity for subtle blending. Add a curves adjustment layer and slightly smooth the contrast curve to reduce harsh tonal jumps. Use color balance to fine-tune highlight and shadow tones so they transition naturally.